Alright, so here's my timeline. So I'm showing you the math for all of this. Okay, so the reason I got how my story is set, how my story and Bloxwatch is more than likely set in 2029 is this. I know for a little bit, it's known that Jez is in The Last Guest, for like the smaller part he's in it, says that he is 15, but then a year passes, and so then he's 16. So 16 in a timeline that's probably more than likely set in 2017 would mean he would be born in 2001. So if we take 2001, oh wait, okay, hang on, sorry, that's not right. Alright, hang on, sorry, technical difficulties. Alright, so if Jez was born in 2001, and Bloxwatch's 12 years takes place 12 years after The Last Guest. So we go 16 plus 12, and that would give you 28. And, okay, so it works now. And so, if he's 28 now, then it's probably more than likely 2029. Because the timeline, the present day in Las Vegas is more than likely somewhere between 2017 and 2018. Now with that, so if it's 2029, let's do Charlie's age. If it's 2029 and I stand by what I say, and Charlie is more than likely 15 in Bloxwatch, that means she was born in 2014. Now my character Issy and her two twins okay, so it feels weird saying that, but the oldest of the triplets, Isabella, was born 2 seconds before her sister Alice, and 20 seconds before her brother Shiro. And if it's 2029 and she's 18, that means she was born in 2011. Okay. As you can see, that's my other OC, Zadel, she's the daughter. She's the half-sister of Guest and the daughter of Primrose and Zayden, because, well, in my headcanon, Primrose and Zayden separated at the beginning of the Great War to keep each other safe, and so Zayden married no, he didn't marry Gusty, but Zayden married Kenzie, and Primrose married Guest 1337's father. And Guest, you know the other guests have names, but Guest's name is, he's just called Guest. And I'd say his real name is Camilo, because fangirl. So, and Zadalin she's 48, which means she was born in 1981. She has an older sister, so she has an older sister who's older than her by 2 years, and her name is Isla. And she is, and if Isla's older than her by 2 years, that means she was born in 1979. But here's okay, you guys want to see Guest? Alright, so let's, I'm pretty sure, pretty sure he's at, how old would he be? So since I want Zadie to be at least, so since I want Zadie to be, sorry, I can't get any words out, to be 7 years older than Guest, that means Guest, if she was born in 1981, and that means Guest was born in 1988. So we go 2029 minus 1988, and that would give us 41. But in the last Guest, in the last Guest, how old did it be? So we go 1988 minus, oh wait, nope, that's wrong. So let's go 2017 Alright, I don't know Alright, let's restart this again, because my calculator's being all kinds of whack. Alright, so let's do 2017, timeline for the last Guest, minus 1988. That would equal 29. And if Charlie was born 3 years before that, that means Guest would be 26 when she was born. Alright, I'm sorry for this. This is just a random thing I'm doing. I just wanted to show you some of the math and the ages that I've come up with. So, just random math.